Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Math Education. Today's concept is shortcut to remember trigonometric ratios. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತ್ರಿಕೋನಮಿತಿ ಅನುಪಾತಗಳನ್ನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ 0, 1/2, 1/√2, √3/2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1. ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಉಳಿದ 5 ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, sin values 0, 1/2, 1/√2, √3/2 and 1. Cos theta is reverse of sin theta. ಈ sin theta ಅದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 0, 1/2, 1/√2, √3/2 and 1. It is reverse. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1, √3/2, 1/√2, 1/2, 0. sin 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ cos 90 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ sin 90 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ cos 0 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ tan theta, we know it is sin theta divided by cos theta. sin theta divided by cos theta ಮಾಡಿದರೆ tan theta ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ cos theta, you know it is reciprocal of sin theta. next secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಟೇಬಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ cosecant 45. ನಾವು √2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಸೈನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕಾಸ್ 60 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾಗೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. square root of finger below divided by 2. See, take the hand like this. It is thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and short finger. Thumb finger 0, index finger 30, middle finger 45 degree and ring finger 60 degree and short finger 90 degree. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. It is a thumb, it is index finger, it is middle finger, it is ring finger and it is short finger. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ sin 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, sin 0 ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಬಿಲೋ, ಈ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? ಈ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. 0 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 0. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ sin 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 0. And next sin 30. Finger below, how many fingers are there? 30. Only 1. Square root of 1 divided by 2. That is 1/2. We have sin 30 1/2. And next sin 45. sin 45, middle finger. How many fingers are there below? 2 fingers are there. That is √2 divided by 2. √2 divided by 2. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ, ಈ 2 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು √2 into √2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 2 as √2 into 2. √2 get cancel and it will become 1/√2. I have sin 45 value, that is 1/√2. In the same way we have for 60 degree and as well as for 90 degree. We have a formula to find sin theta, that is square root of finger below divided by √2. And for cos theta, that is finger above square root of finger above divided by 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, cos 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಬೋವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಇದಾವೆ? ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಅಬೋವ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಬಿಲೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಅಬೋವ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 4 fingers. Square root of 4 divided by 2. What is the square root of 4? That is 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Cos 0 value is 1 we have. And in the same way for cos 30, cos 30, How many fingers are there above 30? 3 fingers are there. That is root 3 by 2. We have that is root 3 by 2. And for cos 90, directly go to cos 90. It is same for 45 and also for 60 degree. Cos 90. How many fingers are there above? There is no finger. So that is 0. 0 divided by 2, that is 0. Cos 90 value have, that is 0. And for tan theta, that is square root of finger below divided by square root of finger above. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ we have square root of finger below divided by 2, and for cos theta we have square root of finger above divided by 2. We have for tan theta, that is sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that will become finger below divided by 2 into 2 into finger above. 2 get cancel, we left with square root of finger below divided by square root of finger above. See, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, take the value tan 0. Tan 0, how many fingers are there below? No finger, 0. And how many fingers are there above? That is 4. 0 divided by anything, that is 0. We have for tan 0, that is 0. And next find out for tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree, how many fingers are there below? 3. And how many fingers are there above? 1. That is root 3. Tan 60 value we have, that is root 3. And find out for tan 90 degree. Find out for tan 90 degree. How many fingers are there below? 4 fingers are there. And how many fingers are there above? 0. Anything divided by 0 we cannot determine. It is not defined. It is not defined. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. That only we write here. That is ND means not defined. We come to know the formula of sin theta. Sin theta, that is square root of finger below divided by 2, and for cos theta square root of finger above divided by 2, and for tan theta we have square root of finger below divided by square root of finger above. Sin theta, cos theta and tan theta ratios ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ we can easily find cos theta, secant theta, cot theta. That is completely reciprocal of these 3. Okay, cos theta, secant theta and cot theta are corresponding reciprocal of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Reciprocal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan theta value, sin theta value, sin 30 value 1/2 ಇದ್ರೆ cos 60 value, that is reciprocal, that is 2. tan 30 value 2, not cos 30, sorry, cosecant 30, that is 2. Cosecant 30 we have 2. And in the same way sin 60 root 3/2, cosecant 60 2/3, reciprocal. And next cos 30, cos 45 1/2, secant 45 reciprocal, that is root 2. And next for cot theta, tan theta is tan 60 is root 3, and cos 60 is 1 by root 3, that is reciprocal. Today we learnt the formulas to find sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. That is, sin theta is square root of finger below divided by 2, and next for cos theta square root of finger above divided by 2, and for tan theta square root of finger below divided by finger above, square root of finger above. That's it for today's class. I hope you enjoy the class and you understood. Okay, thank you.